Hello guys, welcome back to Alien Programmer. So in this video we will learn about some type of methods like hasattr, setattr, delattr, and getattr. So what does mean? Let's start with this. First of all, create a class, the name of person, and simply you know about it. Init method if you don't know, then watch my previous video. Init method and pass self. You also know about the self. If you don't know, then watch again my previous video. Then pass two variables on this inside the block. Self dot name equals name. Self dot age equals age. Okay. Instructive p1. It's called as object of the class. And person the class. And just pass the parameter in. First is name. And the second one is age. Okay. So I'm passing these two ages. This. So if we want to know about the attributes present in the class or not, then simply write print has attribute this has attribute and simply write the name of that object p1 and something like name. Okay, name it's in inverted comma and simply run this program. So true, like it's present in this object with the use of this attribute. Okay, if you want to know about something else like p1, type something else that not present in this and run this. So it's false, like the number is not present in this two attributes, only name and age is present in this. So this is it, it's called as set attribute. Now we're gonna do as attribute, and this is our set attribute. Like just print, you can change values of the particular name or age in this. Like we change the value of age attribute, and I want to print 20 in this. Okay, did you get it? Then if you want to call or you want to get the value and print get attribute p1 age and run this program. Did you get the value 20 while changing this? After changing this value, it will be 20 because we change we set the attribute age value 20 here. So okay, so if you want to delete the whole attribute, then only write till attribute, okay, p1 age, okay, p1 dot age. Simply write this, okay, and run this program. Okay, it's none, it's called and give a none to us because its age attribute is deleted. While we printing age, we calling age with the use of object, then we get an error because person in person object has no attribute age, like we deleted the attribute age, so it's not in the class. So that this is it from this video. We learn about three methods: hasattr, setattr, getattr, and delattr. Thank you guys.